Trading one ticker, one system, S&P 500s for a whole year. I'm going to journal the whole process so this way I can improve my execution and process better. So here we go for today. I made about $1,288 on all my accounts combined. And for my main account, I made about $299.24. Overall, pretty good day, 87% win rate. A lot of trades are winning trades, only 2 losing trades out of the whole day. And here's how I did it. So today we had a bunch of signals. AM market structure is bearish, which means we need to short the rips at all the resistance and expect markets to go down. So as you can see, market went down. Then by market open over here at 9:30, I was just kind of took another shot to short over here, went down a little bit more, and then eventually hit that 66.70 level. So if you guys were watching yesterday's analysis, I said 66 level is one of the levels I'm working at. And if we hit that 66.70 level, I will remain bullish. And I also said it last night, if we get past it, we need to flip bullish. So if you guys play that last night, we're going to make good money. But this is also a major level as well. We never hit 66.40 today. So this level, we hit it, we tagged it, we bounced super hardcore from it, huge bounce. Almost 50-point bounce from that low. And I was able to catch that because we had the buy signals there too. We had a 950 buy signal, which was somewhere around here, pretty close to that area. And then we had DL buy signal, market expansion algos and stuff. And that kind of told us that we got a lot of room to go. And then we just kind of pushed up, burned through that MOB here, burned through every single resistance there was. Nothing was stopping this move. We stalled a little bit here, push up a little bit, back test that stall, and then push up further. It was just monster play. So then by 10:30, market structure was bullish, which means, hey, if we come back to the MOB, you want to buy that dip. So came back here, MOB, buy the dip, push back up. 11:30, market structure had flipped bearish, short the resistance, take it to the MOB, take it further if you need to. And then at some point, I was like, you know what, market's still kind of bullish. 1 p.m. market structure flip bullish again. So that was over here, 1 p.m. Come back to the MOB, buy the dip in the zone. Didn't work out here actually. We did go down, tested the MOB. Now that we're bearish because we are under it, right? So 130, we also had DD sell signal too, which also kind of confirmed like, hey, we can push down more. So look for that push back up, short the MOB here. And then 2 p.m. market have flipped bearish, which means, hey, short any move back to the MOB. So that over here, short it. That over here, short it. So pretty easy money. I think it was overall a pretty good day. Nothing much really happened today. There wasn't any crazy news. I think a lot of people just digesting yesterday's move. People are clearly bearish in the market because put to call ratio is really high, but we're just getting a massive squeeze because they know that market maker know that there's so many people that are being bullish that bearish that they just want to squeeze them out. So, but we are getting a little bit of like a sell off here. You can kind of see. So there is somewhat of a bearish trend as we have made lower highs there. We are getting moving average crossover in the 10-minute chart there. So you can see that. We are seeing a little bit of bearish crossover. We'll see how it plays out for tomorrow. Levels that I'm looking at that I think will be effective are these. So move this level up. So 66.70 is now 66.75. That's the kind of area that we're going to be looking for tomorrow. And then 66.40, we're going to move this up to 66.65. So I think these are going to be great levels to watch because if we burn through both of these levels, like if we go like this, tomorrow's OPEX too, option expiration. So if we burn through both of these levels, I'm going to flip bearish. I'm going to expect things to go like this and then go you know, or if we go like this, I kind of expect that. But if we go back over it, then I can see us go push up. That's how these levels work. Ideally, you want to see some hold at levels like these, like that. You want to see bounce at these levels. But if we burn through both levels, super bearish. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this. And have a great night.